Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the right crisper drawer support in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the support is broken or damaged, or because the drawer isn't sliding in properly. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is open both of our doors up. And now I'm going to take the drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. So this right here is our right crisper drawer support, and in order to get it off, all we need to do is lift up slightly and then pull it straight back, and it comes right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement crisper drawer support. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line up this slot with the round knob that's sitting back there, and you just push the slot onto it, and once it lines up, there we go. And once you've got that lined up, just push it straight back. Then you can line up this slot here with this knob and drop it down. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our crisper drawers back in. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.